And my next stop on this journey as I cruise with Viking on the Grand European itinerary is this gorgeous little medieval town. This is called Regensburg. It is absolutely stunning. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognised because it was pretty much left untouched by the bombings of World War II. And to learn more about it, I'm taking the Viking included shore excursion, which is a walking tour of Regensburg. This is one of Germany's best preserved cities, and there are 1,500 listed monuments that have stood the test of centuries here in Regensburg, the largest such collection north of the Alps. The first thing you'll learn on the tour is the city walls were erected by the order of the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius upon its founding. You get to stroll through the narrow streets and alleys of the old town, gaining great insight into what the city once was and is still today. Our first stop on the journey is this beautiful building. It's the town hall, and for 200 years, this was the seat of Parliament. Now, this yellow rout house was built back in the 1200s. It's got an amazing history. It is really quite fascinating. Inside, you will find a museum, grand rooms, even downstairs, a dungeon, and there's even the Emperor's seat of power in there, perfectly preserved. History is everywhere here. There are so many stories from the past, like the 12th century Old Stone Bridge, a 16-arch marvel of medieval engineering that still carries traffic today. It's more than 300 metres long. For many of us, food is a vitally important part of the travel experience, so make sure you check out the world's oldest sausage kitchen right here. It is Alte Wurst Küche, and it is believed to be the longest continuously running restaurant on the planet. It's 875 years old, with the building first erected in 1135 and turning into a restaurant in 1146. Back then, the specialty was boiled meat, but when the family who currently own the restaurant took over in 1806, charcoal grilled sausages became the main offering. The restaurant serves over 6,000 sausages daily. And there is another authentic German experience right before your eyes. Now look, there's 2 sausages in there. It has sauerkraut and it has mustard, but it's a special kind of mustard that features a horseradish mix inside it as well. Tick, there's another thing ticked off my bucket list. Cathedral Square is the main attraction of Regensburg's Old Town. It is considered by many as the pinnacle of southern German Gothic art. The double spires of the Cathedral Tower are 105 metres high over the city. Built in the 13th century, the cathedral is probably the most spectacular Gothic cathedral in all of Bavaria. The ability to just take in this amazing building, absorb the detail, the fine, intricate carving work on the outside. When you get inside, all the 14th century stained glass windows, the cloisters, the amazing altar. This is an incredible 1.5 hour walking tour, something I'll never forget.